Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change background color and text color for drop down in Elementor WordPress. So this is our drop down. So we are going to change background color and text color for this drop down in Elementor. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are going to add, now paste, and you'll find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see elementor-form, elementor-field-type-select, background color blue, important color. So this is our text color white. So you can add color scheme and background color according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to elementor-form and refresh the page. Now you see drop down, background color blue and text color white. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.